Good evening. I am Alicia with Travel with Alicia Nichol. I am bringing you another tour. This one is a private Old Dubai walking tour, forts, souks, and boats. This one is $99 per person. On this tour, you will get to know Old Dubai, learn about the history and the culture, the Impossible Alone, and the Heritage Themes walking tour. You explore Dubai's oldest quarters on the Heritage walking tour. You see Al Fahadi's wind towers, cross the creek, by Abra, browse Souks, and more. Good for first-time visitors keen to discover Old Dubai without getting lost. So if you're a first-time visitor, this is one for you. The tour is provided by a local resident, certified professional guide. So this is a professional. You get coffee and or tea, private abra, which is a wooden boat, rides across Dubai Creek. It's an in-depth, personalized tour, and it's an authentic way to experience the Middle East. So you are first on the tour, you will be going to Hadi's historical neighborhood. And that's 45 minutes. Then you go to Dubai's Dubai Museum and Al Fahidi Fort, and you're just passing by that, so it's no time there. Next, you go to Hindi Lane. This is 5 minutes. Then you go to Dubai Creek. That's a boat ride, and that's 10 minutes. And then you go to Dubai Gold Souk. That's another 10 minutes. And then the last stop is Dubai Spice Souk. That's 15 minutes. Total, this tour is 2 hours approximately. This tour, just a few things. It is not wheelchair accessible, and it is stroller accessible. So you cannot bring a wheelchair, but you can bring a stroller. It is near public transportation. And this is a private tour and activity. So whoever you book, only your group will participate in that. And then service animals are allowed. And again, this is $99, and I will have the links below. I will have the link for the the tour itself, or if you want to reach out and I go through the booking process for you, I can do that also. Or any additional questions, that's what I'm here for. And I will have more of these. This was one of the cheaper options, but there are longer tours, so the prices will be slightly higher, but this is something to look into. Also, the other two options we have free cancellation, and then we have reserve now, pay later. So if you want that option, that's also available. All right, thank you for visiting tonight. Have a good night.